Stevenson's Cottage Pie. For this recipe I'm using 100 grams of grated cheddar, 200 grams of mixed frozen vegetables, 300 grams of corn mince, 3 small onions roughly chopped, and some pesto gravy granules, and a casserole dish which is 10 inches by 8 inches by 1.5 inches deep, and some nice cheesy mashed potato for the topping. That's the potatoes all boiled and ready for mashing. Add 3/4 of a pint of water to your gravy granules and stir until dissolved. Add your frozen vegetables and corn mince into your saucepan and cover with the gravy granules. Cook on a medium heat until you think they're ready, like 5-10 minutes. While that's cooking, put your onions on the bottom of your casserole dish thing, whatever it is. It's one of those. That means that should be ready. Now cover your onions with your minced vegetable mixture. Nice and even. Now add 3/4 of your grated cheese. Just to cover it up. Like so. Drain the water from your potatoes and add large knob of butter. While it's still hot. And also cheese, lots of cheese. Mash your cheesy potatoes. I always find it best to wash the potato masher while the potato is still hot because it comes off easier. See? No bits stuck in the corners or anywhere. Nice and clean. Now spoon your mashed potato over your casserole dish. Make a nice plough field with your fork. Now place in a preheated oven, gas mark 6, 400 Fahrenheit 200 centigrade conventional oven, 180 fan convection oven for around 30 minutes. 10 minutes before it's done, take it out and put the rest of the cheese on top. 20 minutes up, now add the rest of the grated cheese on top. Stevenson's Cottage Pie. Let's take some out. Almonds all nicely cooked. But what does it taste like? Let's find out. Yum. Potato. Nice and cheesy. Perfect. Beautiful.